Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. Let's move on to our one of the very major video of when we should buy the altcoins. Looking at Bitcoin chart, you guys can see our previous Bitcoin updates and other videos about what's going to happen, and we clearly even on the daily time frame after this candle we have clearly said that we are going towards another move to the downside. And yes, we are basically just scalping these moves here until the another big major move comes. So first of all, I want you guys to be clear of that we have these rangings on Bitcoin, right? We have these rangings on Bitcoin, and something same we had like previously over here, starting from here till here, and we wicked into the rangings, reclaimed back and went for the new all-time high. Right now, this is not the perfect time to get bearish. Once again, I'm saying, yeah, I have already said several times that 25k is not a good number to come back, but still I'm saying this, that looking at the previous data, we can see Bitcoin is again at the range highs. Bitcoin dominance, you guys can easily see that what's actually happening. It's breaking out of this higher time frame resistance, might deviate back and let the alts run very quickly. So I'm gonna bet on this one. Right now, what's actually happening over here, Bitcoin is still at range highs, but look at alts. Look at total 3. Total 3 is once again around range lows, almost like, yeah, here. Right, we have to look at for the daily candle today to see if the price basically comes back below and closes below this one. If this closes below this one, we might see some more chop in the next coming days before the reclaim. Now secondly, if this reclaims today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy some alts and sell at another pump over here, and then we will be having probably something like this to make some EQ lows like this, like spend a lot of time over here, make some EQ lows, then take out those lows and start going back up. Now looking at major alts, first of all, I'm gonna start with Solana. I don't want this video to be very lengthy, so for example, look at this. This was our previous plan since we closed our Solana longs around $25. The actual tweet is still on my Twitter. So what you guys can clearly see here, we had this plan since weeks, not yesterday or not today. We had, like, when the price was here, if we don't break this, we're gonna come down to here and here. So I might buy some for the lower time frame over here. For the higher time frame, I'm definitely gonna bid at $10. We have a superior FEG over here, as well as a lot of people will think that the price have basically gone back below the previous range lows over here, and then that will be your area to get into Solana, and we're gonna go boom towards $30. I can also buy over here. I will update in the Discord as well whenever I will buy. Whenever the chart will say to buy me, I will definitely gonna buy. So this is the Solana plan. Let me clear my chart and we're gonna move forward. Yeah, this is my Solana plan. Basically, I'm not buying over here as of now because I want these daily buyers to get swept out. Right now we moving to FTM. Some of the alts that I had planned since weeks. For example, look at FTM. FTM have a very beautiful range over here. Sorry. Right, this was a pretty nice deviation, and the way these alts did a deviation, even Bitcoin can do. So looking at current FTM chart, we can see probably we have deviated these lows already might see some more price action over here in the coming days before we start moving back up. So this is the plan. I will basically try to DCA my trades because I don't want to basically let the market go back up without my entry. So this is the plan right now. I'm not buying here. I haven't bought over here, but yeah, probably in the next few days I'm gonna buy some wicks. We'll try to buy the extreme wicks if we get something like this. We'll try to buy here. So in that way you guys can have a very good risk to reward ratio. A lot of vaults are still at the buying zone or around buying zones. I personally wanted some more price action over here in case this goes up. For example, I have a small Bitcoin long. I just took a small Bitcoin long over 25,600 just right now. I have took a scalp long. Let me share you guys my chart. That was on Bybit. Yeah, this one. We just had a small MSP over here, FEG and order block filled. Now we're moving back up. So these low time scalps will keep coming in the Discord group. And yeah, this one, I just took this long. So these are scalp longs. My hedge or the real edge short is still active. So the alts like FTM, now we're gonna look at Link. We've been waiting since weeks for this one, and I'm not gonna let it go anyway. We are waiting since weeks and weeks for the Link to buy. Definitely I'm gonna buy, but not right now. The reason I'm gonna buy this, I have my old plan. I don't care if there is a Bitcoin FUD, if there is a Ethereum FUD or whatever it is, but I'm gonna follow up onto my plans. I'm gonna buy everything sub below $5. Yeah, might even wait a little bit to have some kind of consolidation, some PA development over here. I will let it form some more price action over here, and then we'll long towards $12. Yeah, when most of people are calling for the new lows, I will basically buy. So I'm pretty happy because my two shorts are running on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Also a hedge long, I just took it a few seconds ago. Nice, price went back to 25.7k. So now a lot of other alts like XRP is going to be a very winner of this year, or not this year, then probably the next year. A kind of Bitcoin, my entry remains around $0.32 and $0.41. I bought it twice. So LTC, yeah, LTC is gonna be a good mover for the coming weeks, looking for something like 170 for the next wave up, but before that we might sweep those previous higher lows like this one. So these are the plans on a lot of different alts. Yeah, every different alt have every different plan. Mana, it basically, no, it didn't have any MSP, so not gonna buy. Dot, no, I don't like this chart at all. ADA, no, I've been calling this coin as a shit coin since years, since it was at $3, $2.5. So definitely a shit coin with so big a market cap. Allies, no. We're gonna have a look at some random altcoins. So what I do is I just open up my cryptobubbles.com. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So we just gonna go on to our top 100 coins, and I'm trying to make plan over there. Woo, yeah, woo. I'm loving the dips on woo, and I'm gonna buy the dips on woo. Obviously I'm gonna buy. I still have my main entry from 0 point here. I'm gonna buy. Yeah, we gonna look at the reaction in this zone. If we get a good reaction over here, I'm gonna buy. Otherwise I'm waiting for 0.14 $0.15 to buy to long over here. But I want to be very clear. I don't want to be that guy when the price comes over here. I will say wait for this. No way, I'm gonna buy here. If I have plan over here, I will buy over here. So I don't want to be like that guy who says that wait for 0.15 when it comes. No, wait for 0.13, and when that comes, they will say no, wait for here, and the price will go back. Boom. So I'm trying not to be like that guy. So this is the plan on Woo. We're gonna see. We have a lot of time not to get into hurries or buy right now. We are going up. No way. We will have a lot of lower time frame chop over here, so we can still have a lot of good times to buy. Now moving on to our next coin. Chip, Dune, Sand, Dodge, Chase, Avix, Theta, ADA. Yeah, Avix we bought at $12-14. We moved our stops to break even, and then it came back down. So glad that we moved our stops to break even. But the coins like Avix, they are basically making new lows, are making me think like the actual structure of the market is still the downside. A lot of other alts have basically deviated from their previous past year June lows, but Avix haven't. So might do something like this. I'm gonna long over here. I'm gonna long over here, or either way I can even also long over here whenever we get acceptance between this big order block or the FVG, previous FVG. So other alts, INJ, we took a bag on this one. Now what we gonna do on the daily time frame? Oh my goodness, a really nice level over here, but I would pick the lows. EQ lows, probably 2 or 3 bullish candles, then sweep these EQ lows and then go for the boomer, targeting this FVG, this one. So what's next? APT. Yeah, these all of these alts are now coming back to the buying zones. Wow. I just want why I'm just waiting over here, because I just want to see 1 or 2 or 3 more days, kind of say that what's the day today, it's Saturday. Yeah, so I want to see the Monday rangings that will give us a clear confluence. Till that I'm gonna long and short Bitcoin on lower time frame. So until that, I'm gonna look at what's actually happening on the chart, or the alts being bought very quickly or slowly, or what the alts are basically trying to do here, as ether dominance or the alts dominance is on the daily time frame is slightly pulling back. And we're gonna look at weekly time frame. Was already at kind of resistance. Like, look at this is your range high, deviated range highs, deviated range lows. Now might deviate range highs again. So some more kind of something like this will be into the play probably if things are going to bullish. So that's why I'm waiting for alts. We'll definitely buy when we will have a good risk to reward ratio. And Matic, yeah, now we're gonna see a push back to the upside in coming weeks, and that will be definitely for shorting, exiting, and then we're gonna see something so lower. What's next? RSR. No, I don't really, I don't usually trade the low caps at all. Look at this SXP, a classic short squeeze it was. And unfortunately people start buying every small dump after that, so that's not the wave on the low caps. Link, yeah, I'm gonna play this one. Might even reduce my longs, or kind of say that might even reduce a little bit of my entry targets, but definitely gonna play this one. Yeah, don't think that we're gonna buy today and the price is going back towards $12 tomorrow. No, look at how big it have taken time in the rangings. Look at, almost like a year. Almost like a year. It went to range highs once, twice, thrice, three times it went to range highs. One, two, three times it have came back to range lows. So it took a whole year, almost like 365 days. So it might take 1 or 2 or 3 months over here too. So don't get bullish overnight or very firstly. Yeah, take it slowly. You guys will get a lot of opportunities in the coming days, coming weeks, and definitely this move will be faster than whole of these ones. This will be the faster one because when the market turns bullish, it does not give you time to get enter on the pullbacks. So I don't think so. What all to watch? ADA we have seen. Just look at crypto bubbles. Wet. No, I haven't taken this trade. I just maybe. Yeah, this did not give us a trigger. Obviously, it did not give us a trigger. The trigger was something like this. Did not give us a trigger at all. So what we gonna do is simply buy over here. You guys think like I just randomly draw a line and say buy like here. No way, this is not the right way. What I basically do is look at the previous chart of what's actually happening. For example, now I will give you the reasons why I said to buy over here. We have a very pretty strong support over here. Just have a look at this. Now you guys can see that yeah, it's a good support, a good zone. So that's why I just made a random align said buy over here. So looking at charts almost like 12-14 hours a day will definitely make you think like this. So a zero noise. I don't remember if we took this trade. What? No, I don't know. We're gonna buy equal highs. What we're gonna do is we're gonna buy the sweeps of $0.81. Like buy the sweeps of here. Simple. Buy the sweeps of here. Buy these sweeps. Don't get bearish now at 25 point. Yeah, this is a zone where if you are short from the highs, just let it run. And if you are long from 25.4k, just set your stops around 25.3k. So this is a plan right now on most of the alts. I'm just repeating once more that most of the alts are coming back into the buying zones, into the buying zones, buying areas. For example, look at Ethereum. No, it's not in the buying zone, by the way. But still, look at Ethereum. A lot of alts are just coming back to the cluster of supports they had. Like, look at this. To the cluster of supports they had. Obviously, we are going to buy for the midterm, but not right now. We still have some more PA development over here. Might do something like this, and then boom, back to the upside. Here we have descending triangles everywhere on charts. So this is easiest, I think so. This is easiest update. I'm gonna conclude this whole update in few things. That point number one, start looking for longs, but not right now. Wait for 2 or 3 days. Probably wait for Monday ranges. Start looking for longs, especially on the solid alts like LTC, like FTM, those who are having good patterns, or they are basically less. For example, XRP only minus down but 7%, SAN 20% down. Don't look at this, look at this. Look at XRP, that's down minus 7%. Look at XMR, only down minus 5%. Look at KCS. No, I hate KCS. Yeah, we have already done 2x, 3x, 4x on this, but still I don't like now. Look at the alts that are dropped less than 8% today. They are going to be the winners in the coming days. So this was a small update about Bitcoin, Ethereum. Not about Bitcoin, Ethereum, but your alts ranges. For now, I'm long on Bitcoin. This is not my long chart at all. For the lower time frame, I'm long on what is this? Yeah, that's my swing chart, sorry. BTC USDT perpetual Bybit. Yeah, I'm long on this one, I'm long on this one, and here's my entry. I just took this scalp long because I saw people shorting huge over here. After that, people longed over here and they suddenly puked their longs over here. So nice, let's go, go a little bit more up and give me $26,000. So this was a small update about Bitcoin and everything and whatever I have said, you guys. So hope so you guys will stick to the plan. Just wait, don't get bullish on single candle, don't get bearish on a bigger downside candle. For the Bitcoin, you can watch my previous video. Thank you everyone, have a blessed day, have a blessed weekend ahead, and bye bye.